Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales here today looking at this extended cab on this Kenworth T800 that we put together here. This is about a 6-inch extended cab. We went ahead and took a mid-roof sleeper off on this one. We got the dual exhaust, dual chrome breathers on this. Just going to go ahead and walk around and show you the work we did here. So as you can see on the back here, we did aluminum panels similar to the factory where we riveted it all on there. Got the window, got some cross members, redid the roof cap there to kind of look like one piece on this one. So it's definitely nice setup, a lot stronger, a lot safer than buying just one of those little fiberglass back pieces. We hooked up the suspension back on this one, so we have the same suspension off the sleeper. Went ahead and hooked that up on there. There's a bunch of different exhaust shrouds that we can do on these. This is kind of the most basic one here. These particular exhaust shrouds. So go ahead and jump in the cab here and take a look at that. So we've got nice matching vinyl here on the door. You can see the floor there. That's about how much extended cab there is right there. So just about 6 inches. We can make these in 18 inches, 2 foot, whatever you want. So this one we just did a 6-inch. Kind of almost always do some kind of extended cab. And this particular truck we painted as well. Painted the whole thing, truck and the bed, to match a metallic silver color here. Around the other side here so you can see some of that. But yeah, this is the best way we found to patch up these sleeper removals on the Kenworth Aerodyne cabs. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.